What's up, everyone? Jermaine back with another video. Let's go explore Lombard Street. Haven't seen blue skies in a couple days, so let's go down and explore. If you are watching the 360 version, feel free to look around. There's lots to see. I'll go down on this side, and maybe if I can, I'll cross over and go on the other side a little bit and then cross back over. But yeah, welcome to the famous Lombard Street. It was raining maybe 30 minutes ago, and there's no more rain now. That's why I decided to come and rush down here, because I was thinking it wouldn't be as many tourists, and I was kind of right. It's not as many, but there's still a lot of tourists out. It's Lombard Street, you know. Lombard Street is very known around the city, and it's a huge tourist attraction. I like never come to Lombard Street because there's plenty of streets to go down. Look at the clouds, they're moving so fast right now. They are just zooming by. I'm just curious, put it in the comments if you guys will be interested in living on Lombard Street. There's always traffic. Not necessarily car traffic. On the weekends there's more car traffic, but there's always, you know, people walking by, taking photos, you know, hanging out, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but I guess it could be. I'm gonna take the middle because there's no cars coming. As soon as I take the middle, there's gonna be probably cars coming down. But feel free to look around. This is a pretty cool place. The Lombard Street is the crookedest street in the city, but actually there's another street that's even slightly crooked. It's called Vermont Street. It's not as iconic because, you know, Lombard Street is sort of in the middle of the city. The other street is near Potrero Hill. It looks nothing like this, but it's very windy. Oh my gosh. I remember once I found it like on accident, and I was thinking, what is this? But it kind of reminds me of Lombard Street. I don't know which one is crookeder. Maybe Lombard Street is. But everything is like all manicured and clean. Oh my gosh, I'm doing a 360 video at Lombard Street, and I'm talking about another windy street in the city. I think that's like a big no-no, huh? These bricks look like they would be really slick to ride down on. Looks like it'd be really slick. Surprised there's no cars coming down. Usually there's like always cars. Oh, there's a truck now. But that's cool. We are almost down at the bottom now. We'll kind of stop here and let it go. Lombard Street, now since I talked about Vermont Street, I'm gonna have to go and film a video there. And chances are it won't be any tourists there. But who knows, maybe in like 10-20 years, maybe it'll be a cool street. Maybe it'll be something cool. And this is that famous photo everyone gets down at the bottom here.
But I think I got really good performance reviews last year, so. Alright,
so we are done. Just a quick Lombard Street video. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Bye bye.